In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports in Docusign. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so you'll be able to generate the reports you need in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to refine your reporting skills, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Docusign website. This platform is the leading choice in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, and you can access it by visiting their homepage. Once the page fully loads, look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the website, and click on it. Enter your email and password to log into your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, go ahead and complete that step to secure your access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where you can access a variety of features. Among these features, you'll see a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on this tab. The Reports section is a powerful tool that lets you analyze and manage your document workflow, making it essential if you're handling multiple agreements or monitoring signature activity. With the Reports tab open, you'll notice several options related to reporting. What we're looking for today is the My Dashboard option. This dashboard pulls together all of your data into one place, allowing you to customize and quickly access the insights that matter most to you and your team. Click on My Dashboard to begin analyzing your document activity. From the dashboard, you can explore various metrics such as document status, the time taken for signatures, envelope activity, and more. It gives you a clear picture of how your documents are moving through the workflow, helping you make informed decisions about your processes. If you hover over each section, you'll notice small information icons that provide helpful details about what each metric represents. To make your reports even more useful, you can also adjust the filters within the dashboard. These filters allow you to refine the information by date range, document type, sender, or status. This gives you much more precise control over your reporting results. It's especially helpful if you're managing a large number of envelopes or tracking activity for a specific time period or project. As you adjust these filters, you'll notice the dashboard updates instantly, giving you a real-time snapshot of your entire document workflow. This makes it easier to spot trends, delays, or bottlenecks that may require attention. Using these filters regularly can greatly improve the way you monitor performance and streamline your agreement process. And that's it. By following these steps, you can access and run reports in Docusign quickly and effectively. It's an efficient way to stay on top of your documents and ensure your workflows are operating smoothly. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Docusign's reporting features. Until next time, happy reporting.